It's time for Chinese characters once again. So we have 10 new Chinese characters for this chapter and 12 new words, which we will learn to write. So we'll have 3 new words and 2 new Chinese characters. Very easy. The first one is ren. Ren. This means person. So it's very easy. It's just 2 strokes. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Run, run. The second one is the number 10. Sure, sure. So they are both rising tones. Sure. This is very easy. You just draw across. But you draw the horizontal bar first. Sure, sure, sure. Run. Okay. So for the words, remember the word for she and he? They're both ta, but if you write them, they are different characters. So first, the common character is this. The character for yeah, yeah. If you want a woman, she, you add the woman particle. So this is ta. If you want a man, you add this particle, ren. But if they come before another character, it becomes like this, a shortcut. So that's ta, ta, he, she. Third word is men. So you add this character again, and then you add the character for door. Men, men, neutral tone. Our next two characters are the characters for dagger, b, b, and zhong, zhong, which is middle, which is what you use for China, zhongguo. So that's a prefix. That means middle. So let's write it. B, dagger, is written like this. 1, and then there. 1. So just 2 strokes, not that hard. B. And this means middle. Chung. Chung. Our 3 new words for today are all na. So we have the first one, it's na. I don't know if I'm doing this the right way. Okay, let's follow instructions. So you write it that way. So this is na. This is the variable you use. If you want to say na, which means which, you add this, the ko particle, the mouth particle. So that means na, which means which. If you want to say na, which means that, no, I don't think it means that. Anyway, there's another na here, which has the woman character in front. I don't know what that means. Na. It doesn't say the meaning. We'll find out. Our Chinese characters for today are the characters for sun and shell. So they are both going down. R, bei, r, bei. Okay, let's write them. This is, if you're familiar with this, it's the Chinese character for first kanji for Japan. In Mandarin, it's pronounced r. It means sun. For Japan itself, it's rupen. I'm not sure about the tone. And this is bei, which means shell. This is used a lot in many words, just not familiar which, but I see this a lot. Okay, so our two new words are, well, they are not new, you already know them. So this is ni. So now you know that this is the ren character, which is to the left. That's why it looks that way. So ni. This is sure, which is like is, but not quite. There. Our new characters are for Jade and Arrow. Jade, so this is used a lot. I also see this. I think this is the character. I forgot. Anyway, they are pronounced you and sure. So one is going down and one is going down and up. How do you write them? For Jade, you. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You. This is sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they both have 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only have one new word, which is not actually new because we've already encountered this before. It's to, when you want to say we both, 我们都, or they both, 他们都, or all of them, 他们都. It could mean both or all. So it's written with this character again, and then you have this, and then the character for r, sun. So you write this one first, and then across, yeah, and then r, to. There you go. Our last kanji for this week, Chinese characters, is the one to be for to be born, sheng. This is used a lot, so you already saw this with Yishang, which is doctor, and you also use it for Xuanshang, which is like Mr. And for Japanese, they use this for sensei, so it's pronounced sei, but we're not learning Japanese now, so yes, Sheng. This is it says person or thing, but this one is actually a component of this one, so that one. We did that yesterday, so that's where you're almost always gonna see it. So how do you write them? Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you are confused, it's better to review because some of the characters kind of look the same, especially the first strokes, so it might confuse you, so you better review. Cross. If you observe, this is the character tu, then r, tu, cross, r, tu, cross, r, tu, cross, r. As for word for today, we only have two. One is for teacher and the other is for doctor. So those 老师 and 医生. So how do you write 老师? The character looks the same, but it doesn't. But instead of for r, it has the b character under, and then you have another one here. Wow. There, 老师. The other is 医生. So as I told you, this is the sheng character, which means to be born, and you enclose it inside, and you have sheng there.